I'm having a planned C-section in 6 days, and I still have a lot of things to do before the baby arrives. And I need to clean the fridge, reorganize the pantry and the spice drawer, wash baby clothes, wash newborn car seats. I've been having this strong urge to clean and organize in the past few weeks, and apparently it's a thing called nesting. Nesting during pregnancy is the overwhelming desire to get your home ready for your new baby, and it gets worse in the later weeks coming upon delivery. So I'm just gonna follow my natural instinct and do the cleaning.
Oh my god.
I am so proud of myself because I've been coming to the gym at least twice a week throughout the pregnancy. I'm doing mostly Pilates and swimming every now and then, and I feel like I didn't lose too much muscle while pregnant, which I'm really happy about. I gained about 10 to 11 kilos so far, which is a lot less than the first pregnancy, so I'm hoping that it's going to be a lot easier to get back to my normal weight than the first time.
나봐. 엄마 근데 저 하얀 차도 맛지다다.
그렇네. 오랜만에 파라다이스 컨트리 오니까 어때?
좋아.
엄마랑 둘이 오는 거 진짜 오랜만이다, 그치?
어. 너무 더워가지고 조금 불렸는데 오늘은 안 더워. 안 보여. 잔다. 잔다. 응.
뭐 먹어요?
먹어. 말 탈 거야.
그래? 큰 말 탈 수 있어?
Alright, sweetheart, come on up. Right, you're gonna go 1, 2, 3. Good job.
아린이랑 엄마랑 애기랑 같이 씻는 거야. 셋이.
셋이 같이.
I feel really sick right now. This is my hospital bag that's been sitting here for weeks. I'm staying at the hospital post-C-section for 5 nights, so I think I need more things. I'm not bringing anything for the baby other than coming home outfits because I know the hospital provides pretty much everything for the baby, like diapers, clothes, wipes, and whatnot. The only thing I packed for the baby is coming home outfit, a pink one and a gender neutral one each because we don't know what we're having. It's a surprise. Otherwise, I have lactation cookies. These are to help you with milk supply. It worked really well for me when I had Alina, especially the first couple days of post-C-section. And these are pull-up pads, disposable diapers for women basically. These are a lot more comfortable and absorbent than really thick postpartum pads. I'm going to wear them for the first week or two when bleeding it's at its heaviest, and then I will switch to pads as the bleeding begins to lessen. And I have a super basic toiletry bag with my makeup and stuff, and I have breast pads, nursing bra, nursing outfit, nipple cream, and hair dryer and whatnot. I'm a registered nurse. I've been working at the hospital almost 10 years. I know how loud the room can be. When I did night shift, I could never sleep with the machines and the pumps and the buzzers and whatnot, and the nurses come and check on you during the night a couple of times at least. So an eye mask and earplugs are really important for me as well. Now I have like 3 days left. It's actually quite nice to have a specific date circled on your calendar, knowing what's going to happen and how it's going to happen, so you can prepare yourself mentally and physically for the adventure ahead. I'm still really nervous, but I believe it's all going to go well and we're going to have a healthy, beautiful baby. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with my baby. Bye! 나머진 바빠 개설레임 바꾸는 사람들 시간만 지나가 자신감 가지고 해와 그냥 천